Vision up. Okay. Guys, just defend, just defend. Counter, counter. Vision up, vision up. No more please comps. I want to know if any crystal are moving. Guys, maximize your minimap.
Alright.
Guys, maximize your minimap, ah. I want any small movement of the crystal to be attended to. 1, 2, 3 priority not to be grayed out. 4 and 5 also priority to jump. Ready, ready, ready. Everyone. Power is here now, scouting. Get ready. Apex Bawaklo.
Happy.
Full def, ha? Full def. Full def has a lot of points. 12 minutes. Ruwak up. Ruwak up. Horong up. Power scouting. Apex, get ready. Okay. Bawa, get ready in Klo. They entered south side. It's one person
Happy.
scouting. Expel quickly, guys. Expel quickly. And then I want you to chat if it is already cleared or expelled. Bawa, Klo, get ready. Entered at the south side. Vision up, vision up. Say if expelled, ah. Say if expelled. I have to go inside. I will wear true sight. Ayan,
Still clear at 8 maybe. He stayed in the prep camp. Okay. Here in the RG area.
Okay.
Just scouting.
Scouting, scouting.
Yeah.
Another scout, another scout. Hashira is here. Scouting. Why is Hashira here? What herbs? Scouting. More luck. Guys, vision please, vision.
Was there any castle that we can attack for perfect points, bro?
Meron, meron bro. Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay.
Guys, 9 minutes. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Ruwak up. Vision up. Elf. If anyone is at the crystal, please pull them. Priority to pull them, ha? When I say pull them, I want you guys to air compression. Okay? Air compression. Prioritize the air compression. So that they will get the buff. If it is a CM or anyone else. Okay, Chinese. Sorry, Thai Guild, 6 o'clock. Boa, get ready. Boa, please stack up properly. I want to see your fields up. Klo, stay at crystal number 3. Apex Vision up.
Yeah, someone is here.
Vision up, vision up, vision syrup
Wait,
up.
expel, expel. Okay, expelled one.
Another scout. Oh, okay. This expel, he is coming back, He's coming back. It's just one
Okay.
person. Now entering 12 o'clock. Apex, entering 12 o'clock. Apex, get ready. Expel that quickly, Chat on the guild chat if expelled. Chat on the guild chat if expelled. Don't crumble, guys, Don't crumble. Go to your respective assignment. Listen to me during clash. 8 minutes. Eight minutes, 8 minutes. Expelled? Okay, good. 7 clear. Okay, another. Putang kulit nito, Okay, he left. Kulit nun, Tangina nun, DS squad. Walang ML to. Level 100. There's one slave here.
Six minutes.
Luke Cage, go inside, please. You have a very good mount. 6 minutes. Get ready, get ready. Yan, itong 100 na to eh. Di ako tuloy nakatayo ng maayos. One slave, prep camp. Buti na Cywar, bro.
Ah,
Yeah. Okay, sugurin ko ang mga allies mo.
kaya nga.
Ina mo,
Saan sila umaano? Saan sila, nag-stay sila sa channel?
Ah, chinat si Clean Infinite eh. If you're going to continue to 13. For now, we want
Digimon. Digimon.
we want Digimon because our Queen Mia would be angry if we don't get Digimon. Do you know that Meow, the Digimon that's very strong? Titimon. He's called Titimon. It's called Titimon. It's a Digimon that has evolution. It spits. It spits a lot. and then if you got spit, you will get pregnant. You know that? You don't know that, right? So you're not really a Digimon fan. It has a partner eh. You call it ano, Bajejemon. Okay. Okay. This is one scout also. 3 minutes. If you get spit on by that Digimon, Apex, get ready. One enter. You will get pregnant for 9 months. There's no guarantee about the sexuality. Wasabi scouting. Wasabi scouting.
Where do we
Guys,
break, bro? Which castle?
rebellion. Any rebellion or Britbig.
Okay, okay.
Everyone go inside. Last 2 minutes. There might be some timing that Wasabi will go to us. Just to deny us. Take crystal number 3. We want to avoid that. Apex, go to your position in Boa. Don't be complacent. Pekmon. Damn, 176 minimum ping. Counter inside 3 minutes.
2 and 13. I mean, 2 and
Okay.
10 seconds.
Okay. 140, medyo okay na yan. Power. Power. 2 minutes. Guys, Vision syrup up. Uh, yeah,
Red
muna sila
Area.
dyan. We will go to infinite later. Don't worry. We will also deny incarnate. Wait, let me know. There's one tie here. How many minutes?
1 and 20.
1 and 20. Okay. I'll go inside now. Yeah, 100 na kaya hinahabol ito sa atin. Okay, 48 seconds. Yeah, we will already have it. After this.
Okay, 30.
Yeah, 30. I already went in. You will get your Titimon meow. It's Titimon. It has big head. And it bites, Okay, good job, Klo. Konti na ang Klo, Okay, perfect death. Okay, everyone go to Rebellion. Break them.
Pure Rebellion.
Klein, do you have Discord already? Klein? Wala siya. Go na, 12 o'clock entry. All Klo, jump, rush to crystal number 2. Apex Boa, rush to crystal number 3. 7 minutes. Go, go, go. Just rush to 2. Don't take 8 anymore. There's no one defending. Apex Boba, take 3. All German go to the M box now.
Taking two.
Oh, taking 3. Sorry, Rebellion. We're not friendly. Guys, Hela is stronger now, ah. Okay, break it now, guys. The attributes of the final damage now is together with the other stats. So it's really strong for an in type. Okay, break.
Okay, breaking.
Break. Good job. Okay.
Digimon, let's go.
We got Digimon already. Uh let's break power, play it big. Just to farm. Incarnate and Arc are now denied by 100. By Infinite. Just an update. We're supposed to go there.
Wow.
And Rojak is asking to zone on that channel also. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock na.
10 seconds.
Ano? Oh shit.
10 seconds. Pretty there.
Di na kaya ata. 10?
Wala na. Pretty na.
Okay, PDF. Wow. Oh, good thing we broke Rebellion.
Yeah.
We already secure mount, guys. So everyone now go to congratulations, front 13. You will go to front 13 and go to Incarnate. Incarnation Ebap. Incarnate, that is Bretonia Big. Yeah, no more minus points because we already perfect the first one. We tested it. We tested it already. How do you say it? Last week
Yep.
with Wasabi.
Publish na ako.
Konyo yun. Yeah, they're PDF already. Congratulations, Digimoners. Hope you can sleep now. Next week we will deny people. We will deny espresso. Okay, everyone go 12, 12, 12, 12.
Lord and Legends are also here.
Sarap to. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, this is very lag now. Okay, safe zone first. Safe zone. Everyone, we are here at the safe zone. Oh, shit. Namatay agad aso ko. Clear those German fields. Okay, everyone move forward now. Move forward now. Move forward. Okay. Kill them. Okay, we will regroup to crystal number 7. Crystal number 7. Don't go to the right. 7. We have to face legends, guys. Legends. Small things, ha? Kill decodes. Pamparami lang yan sa loob, eh. Joke lang. That's our allies, guys. Okay, we are now at the left arc. Okay, move forward na, move forward. Move forward. Ay, ito na ulit ang legends. Tagal natin din nakita, mga brasky. Guys, zoom out, ah. Okay, now go to crystal number 4. There's Lord here. Fight Lord, guys, ha. Fight Lord. Lead me, Lord. Okay. Engage with them. Clearance, clearance. Sufra clearance. I want Sufra in clearance. Sufra in clearance, please. Manual reso, manual reso. Reso, reso, reso. Fight them and then go to crystal number 4. Go above crystal number 4. Summon your party. Manual reso, manual reso. Summon your party. Crystal number 4. Go to 4, go to 4. Fight, 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 fight. Manual reso, manual reso. Okay, cut cafe up. Engage, engage lord, engage lord. Clearance, 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 saints, clearance. Summon your party at crystal 4 if they cannot go up. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Reposition, reposition to 4, reposition to 4. Land pro, land pro, land pro. North side, north side. There's one party of lord. Wipe them, wipe them. Elf, elf, elf. Clearance, 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 clearance. Okay, cut cafe up, cut cafe up. They summon, they summon, they summon. Corner, corner, corner. Kill them, kill them. Cut cafe up. A lot of doomsday. Manual reso, manual reso. Left side, guys. There's a lot of lord. Wipe them, wipe them. Manual reso, manual reso.
Yeah.
Just fight,
Tulad.
just fight, just fight. Got expelled. Damn it. I cannot see what killed me. Are we wiped? Oh no. Keep on fighting. Incarnate is here. Gusto nyo eh. May ping inside the 700 average. Okay, safe zone, safe zone. Once you die, guys, let's regroup safe zone. Still fight them. Don't worry. You can always fight them. I think the agenda here of let me check let me check Kibugail. People are zoning there. It's too lag here on yeah, people at the safe zone is not already moving. Sorry. Yeah, let's go here. Kibugail, Kibugail, Valkyrie. Let's zone with Urge here. Kibugail, Kibugail. That's what I'm saying. If there's a patch before WoE, you expect lag. That's honestly the more likely to happen. 12 o'clock entry, guys. Kibugail. That's Valkyrie. Valkyrie, large. Valkyrie, large. Valkyrie, large, safe zone. I safe zone. 25 charge. So Myriad AR is also denied. Okay, move forward, move forward. Okay, let's meet at the middle arc. Middle arc, Pogi. Guys, middle arc. You can buy now rentals again, ah. Okay, now go towards crystal number 3. Uh, okay, there's a couple of urge here. Wipe them. Okay, let me check where they are defending. Oh, go to open area. There's urge here. Wipe, 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 wipe. I'm checking crystal number 2. Wipe them, wipe them. Crystal number 2. We're at crystal number 2. Sufra, same Sufra. Incarnate is here. Fatal Dream, Fatal Dream. Okay. We will defend Kibugail against Incarnate. Walang tao dito? Watangin na. Wait, let me check open area. I saw Urge eh. Entire guild of Urge eh. Where are they? Have you seen them? Where is Urge? Maybe they're on the right side.
Let's see.
I've seen them come in eh. It's full guild eh. On top. Okay, engage them. Wait, let me check. Because it's very lag eh. Incarnate. Incarnate is cycle breaking. Okay. Do you wanna go back to Lord, guys? Or do you wanna call it a night? Yeah, we need to farm a little bit more. But the gold is not yet maximized. Yeah, let's farm a little bit. They're not here. I think, not on the open area. Who's just talking you, Light? Ah, Incarnate? I cannot see. Who are we going to attack? Arc is also broken. Lord. Lag
Sige,
eh.
sige, sige.
Let me try again, Brit big. Let's go, Brit big. Brit big, Brit big.
Si Out.
Britney Spears. Okay. So it's love triangle. Because that's also ex-girlfriend of Gecko eh. Oat was the one who teach Gecko how to use performer eh. Safe zone, safe zone. Rojak is here. Let's wipe them. Everyone. Brit big, Brit big. 1 minute to perfect death. Quickly go here. Okay, move forward. Wipe Rojak. And Sirius. Sufra clearance. Wipe them already. Cut cafe already, guys. Cut cafe already. Clearance. Dive. Wipe Sirius. Manual Reso. Push. Wipe Sirius, guys, at the choke point. That's both Rojak and Sirius. Golden Bow, oh. A lot of Doomsday. Sword Elf, please. A lot of Doomsday in here. Manual Reso, Fate Pray. Cut cafe up. Guys, let's win this one. 22 seconds. Okay. Oh, Incarnate Perfect Death now already. Wipe. Wait. Where's the next one? Let's go to Arc. Arc. Brit small. Yeah,
Copy. Read small.
Brit small. They're defending that for sure. Okay, they're here. 12 o'clock entry, guys. 12 o'clock entry. Check your gears, ha. Check your gears. Again, guys, ha. We have to win this, ha. This is Rojak. Why are you beaten by Rojak and Sirius, ha? Wake up. Wipe them. You have to wipe them. Okay, buff up, buff up. Safe zone, buff. Land pro. Okay, move forward now. Okay, wipe, project. Push, wipe. Summon at the backline, Claw. Okay, cut cafe up. Good job, very good. Purification syrup up. Wipe them. Oh, very good. Wipe them. Don't be shy. You want to farm, right? Sufra. So that the elf can spam their skills. Camouflage. Camo up. Camo up. SPX. Do your thing. Okay, very good. No near dog. Push. You see, insult works, oh. Oh, wipe them. Few more in front. Wipe. Very good. Exo. Oh, Doomsday. Cancel that one. Pull, or sword. Quick cancel. Very good, Exo. Now expel. Good job. Push. Okay. You see? Just a good reminder. Okay, push forward now. Oh, someone's breaking arc already. Why project? Okay. Everyone go to crystal number 3. Respond mo, Abi, ah. Okay, they're being broken now. Okay, very good.
Mm,
What's the next one? Greenwood Big.
Greenwood big?
Mm.
Boy, okay.
Greenwood Big, everyone's here. Kibugal and Incarnate. 12 o'clock entry. 12 o'clock entry. Kibugal and is here. Oh, it just got broken by arc. Okay, let's go inside here. Cool down. Step on the portal. Clash with Incarnate, guys, ha. Wipe them. Enter. Step on the portal. Lord is also here. Lead me, Lord. Step. Puta, puno na. I cannot enter. Can you guys enter?
Hold on pa.
It's been cooldown for it's been cooldown for almost 2 minutes now.
Oh, yan.
Yeah, I think it's full.
De.
Okay, I enter. Okay, regroup safe zone, ha. Let them go first. Let them go first. Avoid getting sandwich. Regroup. Land pro buff. Safe zone first. Safe zone. Let them move forward first, guys. Let them move forward first. Our route is going to be towards the right. That is 6. That is crystal number 6. Let incarnate move first. We're not on a pressure here. Okay, everyone move forward now. Forward, forward. Going towards middle arc. Move forward, going towards middle arc. Middle arc, middle arc. There's a doomsday. Cancel that one. Oh, namatay kayo, no? Guys, remove that doomsday. Sword, sword, sword. Long sword, long sword. Elf, elf, long sword. You see a lot of you are dying. Long sword, long sword, long sword, guys. Long sword. That doomsday cannot be cancelled, ah. Manual reso, manual reso. There's a lot of lives, oh. Go back, go back. If you die, go back. Just go back. Oh, SC is here. SC is here. We will go towards crystal number 6. That is SZ. Wipe them.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, late render. Okay, may excuse. My dog is not summoning anymore. Okay. Move a little bit back, guys. Move back, move back, move back, move back. Go to the left, go to the left. Don't engage with SC. We're lag, we're lag. My dog is not. We will go to the very, very south. Very, very south. Very south, very south. Wrap around, very south. Uy, lumabas ka aso. Guys, my Garm is not summoning. My Garm is not summoning. Can you pull me? Yeah, I think. Oh, okay. Bug? Bug? My Garm is bug. Okay. Going now, going. Wrap around. Long range battle. Okay. Fight Expresso here. Fight Expresso here. Fight Expresso. There's a lot of alpha. Fight Expresso. Expresso is clashing with SZ. Fight, 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 fight. Long range battle, guys. Just pincer them. Just pincer them. Expresso and then SZ. At crystal number 6. Fight them, fight them. Push, push, push. Push. I have to leave the map. My Garm is not summoning. I don't know if you guys are still okay, but I'm very lag.
Yeah, same here.
My
So
skill is not
47.
my skill is not registering. It's not fun to play that way.
Mm.
I will just ask for still have around 20 minutes. Just one full clash. It's good if you use it 10 times Mashi. It means that it's not working anymore. Yeah, I have to get out of here. It's channel lag, guys. Where are they asking for zone? Okay, fire edgy. That's fine. And also you Chu. Wait guys, it's very lag eh. Let me check other fronts. Everyone's in here. 16 Nolan and Infinite. Everyone, let's go Luina Big. Luina Big, front 31. Front 31, Luina Big. This is White Tiger. Okay, let me check. Let me check inside first. Let me check inside. This is Infinite Moon versus Tai. 3 minutes. Okay, everyone go inside now. We will clash with White Tiger. Go inside, go inside. Go inside. White Tiger is defending for 16 Nolan. Go inside. Front 31, front 31. To win a big. Front 31 to win a big. Safe zone, guys, safe zone. Just wait a little bit. People are still moving. Don't worry, we still have 2 minutes. It's less lag in here. Okay, move forward now, Exodiac. Summon. White Tiger is Oxox, ah. Wipe them. Wipe them. Wipe, guys, wipe. This is strong, ah. This is throne. Manual Resu. Push them. Push. Klo. Take care of the backline. Wipe throne. Camouflage. Spam camouflage in Sufra. Clearance, Saints. Camouflage in Sufra. Fight them. Wipe them out. Manual Resu, guys. Manual Resu. Move forward. Okay, summoning my party here at the backline. See, nasama ko kayo sa Doomsday, no? Oh, Doomsday! Sword, please, sword! Sorry, I summoned my party on a Doomsday. Just fight them, guys. If you die, just go back. That's just very near to the safe zone. And then we can farm. Go back. It's 16 Nolan versus Infinite Moon. Wipe them. Continuously fight them. 28 seconds. This is throne, no? Matang sakit nito. Reso. Guys, I want manual reso, not epiclesis, ah. Just continuously fight them. Okay, 7 seconds. Infinite is not breaking this one. Good afternoon. Wait, let me check. It's already perfect dev, so it is now just Valk large. Okay, everyone go to Valk large. Valk large. Let's defend Infinite. Twelve o'clock entry. 12. This is Exotis, BBBS, and Che Guevara. Last clash, I think. Last clash. And then if you are able to farm well, then just call it a night. Safe zone. Regroup. Regroup, safe zone. Valkyrie big. Valkyrie big. Don't move forward yet. Is this enough already? There's too few. There's still too few. Guys, we will go to crystal number 7, ah. Okay, everyone move now. Move, move, move. Crystal 7. Kill the enemy. Kill Exotis. Kill Exotis. That's a fake Exodiac. Kill Exotis. Kill them. Kill them. Okay, everyone regroup after the bridge. After the bridge. Regroup after the bridge. And then go up now. Crystal number 7. Go up crystal number 7. Wipe Exotis. Wipe PVS and Exotics. Everyone summon to crystal 7. Everyone summon to crystal 7. Wipe them. Wipe them. Wipe them, guys. Crystal 7. Crystal 7. So that we will be one group. Manual Resu. Manual Resu. Picklist nga kung ang meron. Push, 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 push. 7, 7, 7. Regroup to 7. It's difficult to fight there on the alley, ha? Going to 7. Manual Resu. Saints. Go rush, rush. Cut cafe up. Go to 7. Yeah, it's late render. And then it's VVS. Go back, go back, go back. They just broke it, so this is the last clash. Promise. The entire tie is defending for them. Infinite against the world. Go back. Move forward, move forward. Okay, go to the junction now. In front of the safe zone. Apex position there. Wipe them first. 5 throne here first. Wipe them first here. Wipe them first here. Check your gears, check your gears. Hela, please still Aji nga. Tataas ng play nito mga to. Okay, moving towards the bridge. Everyone moving towards the bridge. Cancel Doomsday. Sword. Alp sword. SBX, please dive. Okay, wiping throne now. Go to the bridge now. Go to the bridge. Clearance. Sufra. Cut cafe up. Engage on the bridge. Cut cafe up. Engage on the bridge. Okay. Moving forward. Move forward, guys. Move forward. Check your minimap. Cut cafe up. Clearance, Sufra. Tangina, black hole. So many black hole, guys. Push. Walk. You have to walk forward. Your enemy is just resurrecting at the back. Okay, summoning my party at the back line. There's 2 layers, Throne and Exotis. Jurmon, Wormhole in. Wipe now. Now we're fighting Exotis. There's a lot of elf. That's my problem. Wear your butterfly headgear, guys. For status. And then clearance. Fight Exotis now. Fight them. Move forward. Go to the left arc. Oh, they are broken now by 16 Nolan. Okay, go out, go out. Tangina, pinagtulungan ng Infinite Moon 3 tie guilds. Last clash. Promise, last clash. Okay, go inside. 12 o'clock entry. There's just 2 Ajit here. Infinity still has a chance to get no walked. So people are going to defend for this tie guild. Last clash. BVS kalaban natin. So many people using Nuka. Jurmon. Third I'm not satisfied because it's very lag eh. I want a full clash eh. Either late render or I don't know. Last game. Last games. Okay. Safe zone now. Safe zone. I cannot feel that we're having a good game because of the clash and the lag. Okay, move forward. Move forward, everyone. Move forward. Hold the choke point here. Hold the choke point here. Kill everyone on site. Doomsday. Doomsday. Remove that one. Alpha, sword agad ah. Sword or air compression. Pull them. Pull the Doomsday. We need to cancel Doomsday faster. Oh, see? Another Doomsday, guys. You die. Most of you die. Wipe PVS. Wipe PVS. It's easy to wipe them. Go wipe, 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 wipe. Guys, I say wipe the enemy, ah, not wipe us. Wipe the enemy, wipe the enemy. Oh, see. Good, 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 good. Expel them, expel, expel. Cut cafe up, cut cafe up. Last clash. Cut cafe up. Up, up, up. Cut cafe up. Purification syrup. Cut cafe. This is very painful, ah. We're not kidding to you, VVS, ah. Very, very painful, ah. Just continuously fight. Go back and fight. If you die and get expelled, otherwise, manual resu. Fight them, fight them. Cut cafe up. Okay, 16 Nolan broke them. Okay, leave, leave. That's it, guys. It's very lag. I don't know. When they bring back the ping on the upper part, it becomes lag again. Maybe it's it's psychological. But yeah, my dog is not working also. Okay. That's it. That's it. I don't want to force it, so it might get you frustrated. Thank you, guys. GG well played. So I think we already secured the mount. And next week, it's going to be fun because we are not bounded by the channel anymore. Okay? So we have a lot of targets next week. So let's see. GG well played, everyone. And then have a great Thursday. Yeah. And then see you in War of Crystals because it's going to be Team Sun Gaming. Ha! Good luck, guys. Good luck, boys, on Sunday. Oh, Miawa, I gave you the mount. Now it's my time to shine, to attack. And then I think there's no more holding back now. Intel 100, thank you. Puro amba. Thank you very much, guys. GG well played. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. I have to call someone. Thanks.